Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve private chats on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve private chats on Telegram, you should just go to settings, as you see, and you can click. Here in this page, you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Telegram, and you will enter here. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear case. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget